How to delete old saved passwords in Google Chrome. So this is actually a very simple tutorial and I'm going to show you how to get this done. First things first, open your Chrome and then from here go ahead and click this three dots here, and then you have the option here to delete browsing data. Go ahead and click that one. Now instead of the basic, what I want you to do is click the advanced, and then you're just going to uncheck everything here. So make sure that you uncheck everything except for this one. So you have passwords and other sign-in data. So again, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck them. As you can see, it says 20 passwords here for the following. Now what you can do is just basically select that one and then make sure that the time range here is all time. After doing so, just go ahead and click the delete data here, just like so. Now if we are going to go back there once again, autofill in passwords, and then click Google Password Manager, you can see that we don't have any here anymore. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.